Prayer. I venerate, O most pure Virgin Mary, thy most sacred heart, which was the delight and repose of God, a heart filled with humility, purity, and divine love. I, an unhappy sinner, come to thee with a heart filled with uncleanness and wounds. O Mother of mercy, do not on this account despise me, but let it excite thee to a greater compassion, and come to my help. Do not look for virtue or merits in me, before thou grantest thy aid. I am lost, and only merit hell. Look at nothing, I pray thee, but the confidence I have in thee, and the desire I cherish of amending my life. Look at what Jesus has done and suffered for me, and then abandon me if thou canst. I offer to thee all the afflictions of his life, the cold that he suffered in the stable, his journey to Egypt, the blood that he shed, his poverty, toil, sweat, and sadness, the death he endured in thy presence, for love of me, and for the love of Jesus, promised to save me. Ah, my mother, I will not and I cannot fear that thou wilt cast me from thee, when I flee to thee and implore thy help. To fear this would be unjust to thy mercy, which seeks the miserable to relieve them. O Lady, do not refuse thy compassion to him to whom Jesus has not refused his blood, but the merits of this blood will not be applied to me, if thou dost not recommend me to God. From thee I hope salvation. I do not ask of thee riches, honors, or the other goods of earth. I only ask of thee the grace of God, love for thy Son, the fulfillment of his will, and paradise, where I may love him eternally. Is it possible that thou wilt not hear me? No, already dost thou hear me, as I hope. Already thou art praying for me. Already thou art procuring me the favors I ask. Already thou art receiving me under thy protection. My mother, do not leave me. Continue to pray for me, until thou seest me safe in heaven at thy feet, to bless and thank thee through all eternity. Amen.